We're taking you along on our first day of our summer adventure on our way to unclaimed baggage, which will be on the day 2 video, so sit back and enjoy. On this day of our trip, we headed down to Memphis for a few stops, and then over to Huntsville, Alabama to check out some space rockets, and then on to the place we were staying in Scottsboro, Alabama for the evening. Alright, we have stopped in Memphis, Tennessee on our epic adventure, and we're at the Bass Pro Shop. If you've ever been through Memphis, you know what we're talking about, the giant pyramid. We're going to go in and check it out while we're here.
So if you've never been inside the Bass Pro Shop, it's pretty awesome. There's these little lake pond things which have some pretty cool fish in them. See if I can zoom in on this guy so you can see him. All kinds of shopping areas. Evidently they now have some sort of restaurant up there. Also, there's these rooms you can stay in, which to me seem like outstanding places. Never stayed at one. We'll have to make that on our to-do list for eventually. Also got lots of regular shopping. And here in a second, I will take you over to one of my favorite places. So the alligator area has always been one of my favorite. I only see one of them right now. But there is also the elevator up to the observatory area. So after the Bass Pro Shop, we stopped at Mellow Mushroom for lunch. So our second major stop of the day is at the U.S. Space and Rocketry Center. We just kind of took a stroll around, looked at some of the outside displays.
We are at the Space and Rocket Center in Huntsville, Alabama. Pathfinder has been taken off of her pedestal and is in restoration right now, after 30 years sitting up there.
We have a regular 2-queen room at the Comfort Inn and Suites in Scottsboro, Alabama.
As we wrap up this room tour, let me tell you about the rest of this summer adventure trip for 2022. We're going to be going to unclaimed baggage, taking a cruise on the Carnival Mardi Gras, one of their newest and biggest ships, and we'll be showing you a lot of the ports that they're going to on the cruise, and we'll also be hitting up Six Flags over Georgia on the way back. So make sure to check out those videos as they come out. As always, please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel out. We really appreciate your support. Thanks, guys.